Welcome to the world of e-commerce, where opportunities are unlimited and the right tools can propel your business to new heights. One such tool is Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform that has been making waves in the industry. It's known for its ease of use, allowing even beginners to set up a professional-looking online store in no time. It's a platform that's versatile, designed to cater to businesses of all sizes. From mom-and-pop stores to global brands, Shopify is the go-to solution for selling products online. It's not just about selling though. Shopify offers a vast array of features that make managing your business a breeze. And the best part? It's convenient not just for you, the business owner, but also for your customers who can shop with ease from the comfort of their homes. With Shopify, you're not just setting up an online store, you're opening the door to a world teeming with potential customers. Now that we know what Shopify is, it's time to get your hands dirty and set up your own Shopify store. First things first, you need to sign up for a Shopify account. This is a straightforward process that begins by visiting Shopify's website. You'll be asked to enter some basic information, an email address, a password, and of course a name for your store. The email is pretty standard. Any active account will do. The password is your first line of defense, so make sure it's strong and secure. Now, when it comes to the store name, give it a little thought. This is your brand, your online identity. It should be unique, appealing, and easy to remember. After you've filled in these details, you'll be directed to answer a few more questions about your business. Nothing too complicated, just some additional information to help Shopify better understand your needs. Once you've completed these steps, you're in. Congratulations, you now have a Shopify account. But before you start celebrating, note that this is just the beginning of your e-commerce journey. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial, a perfect opportunity to explore the platform and get comfortable with its features without any financial commitment. So, take advantage of this time. Familiarize yourself with the interface, play around with different settings, and start envisioning your online store. And there you have it. The first step towards your own e-commerce empire is complete. With the account set up, let's move on to the exciting part, designing your store. Now, the first step in creating an engaging online shop is choosing a theme. Shopify's theme store hosts a wide variety of professional themes that are both visually appealing and functional. You'll want to pick a theme that aligns with your brand's identity and the products you'll be selling. Once you've chosen a theme, next comes the fun part, customization. Shopify allows you to tailor your theme to truly represent your brand. You can change colors, fonts, and layout, add your logo, and even create unique pages for different product categories. Remember, your online store is a reflection of your brand, so make it as personal and distinctive as you can. Now, let's talk about products. A store isn't a store without something to sell, right? Shopify makes it easy to add products to your store, complete with photos, descriptions, and prices. You can even categorize your products to make browsing easier for your customers. Of course, you'll also need to set up payment and shipping methods. Shopify supports a wide range of payment options, from credit cards to digital wallets, giving your customers flexibility when it comes to checkout. And with numerous shipping options available, you can ensure your products reach your customers wherever they may be. And just like that, your Shopify store is up and running, ready to welcome customers from all over the world. Setting up a Shopify store may seem daunting at first, but with a step-by-step approach, it's easier than you think. And that's precisely what we've done in this video, broken down the process to make it as straightforward and digestible as possible. We embarked on this journey by introducing Shopify, a versatile e-commerce platform that has been a game changer for countless entrepreneurs worldwide. Its user-friendly interface and extensive features have made it the go-to choice for starting an online business. From small startups to big enterprises, Shopify caters to all, offering a platform that scales with your business growth. Then, we dived into the nuts and bolts of setting up a Shopify store. We started from the very beginning with creating an account. It's as simple as entering your email address, setting a password, and naming your store. And voila, you've taken the first step towards building your online empire. Next, we moved on to choosing a theme for your store. This is where you start bringing your vision to life, shaping the look and feel of your online shop. Shopify offers a variety of free and premium themes, each customizable to match your brand's aesthetics and functionality needs. Adding products to your store was our next stop. We covered how to create product listings, complete with descriptions, images, and pricing. Remember, the more detailed and accurate your product information is, the more trust you build with your customers. We also touched upon setting up payments and shipping options, two crucial aspects of any e-commerce business. With Shopify's integrations, you can offer a range of payment methods and shipping solutions, making the shopping experience convenient for your customers. As we close this video, I want you to recall the main takeaway. Shopify is a comprehensive, user-friendly platform that makes setting up an online store a breeze. It's all about taking it one step at a time. And before you know it, you'll have a fully functioning e-commerce business. Remember, every great online store started with a single step. With Shopify, you're well on your way to creating a successful e-commerce business.